Hi everyone, my name is Dee and this is my first unboxing video of the Canon Powershot ELPH 190 IS. I'm needing a camera for our upcoming trip. I didn't need anything that's expensive or anything fancy, just a camera to, instead of using my phone, I can use a different gadget. So I got this because I believe it's one of the most, or the more affordable choice for a camera, and it also has Wi-Fi, so I can just use it to connect to my phone, and then from my phone I can post it on maybe like Facebook or Instagram or whatever. So I got this from Amazon. This is the Powershot ELPH 190 IS, and these are the specs, or not the specs, the contents, and then the other side. Alright, I got I believe on Amazon it has silver, gray, blue, no, silver, blue, red, and black, and I wanted the black one because blue, I think, I don't know, it's pretty too, but I was just gearing towards the black camera. So it comes with the limited warranty. Need that for later. Save this for later. Alright, what's in here? It comes with safety instructions. This is the charger. So it comes with a charger. You just plug this to the wall. Let's put that to the side. It also comes with what is this? A guidebook. Yeah, getting started. Oh, I thought it didn't come with a battery. It has its little battery. And then you have the wrist strap. Also comes with it. Alright, let's put that to the side. Of course, in a bubble wrap, you get this tiny little shiny camera. Look at how cute that is. Shiny. It's the Canon Powershot. And then here's the back. And if you need to connect the camera to what do you call that, to your tripod, you can also do that. And here's the top. You could zoom in and zoom out from here, the on and off button, the Wi-Fi, and that should be the microphone. Alright, so that's the unboxing of the Canon Powershot ELPH 190 IS. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.